Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all the most requested diet plan of this year. Extreme summer diet plan for weight loss. As you can see, the summer season is at its peak and we need to make sure that we lose maximum weight during this time, which is very easily possible with this diet plan. With the help of this diet plan, we'll aim for almost 10 kgs in just 1 month. And it is a very doable process. You can easily follow the diet plan and see the magic happening yourself. Recently, my lots of clients followed this type of challenge to see how the weight loss was, and here are the results. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, or in the description box below there's given a link. You can directly go and click on the link to reach out to me on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and see the magic happening yourselves. So without any delay, let's get started with extreme summer diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 1 month very easily. Starting with the early morning drinks, the first thing that you wake up, of course, you need to have a diuretic water. I'll be giving you 2 options out of it. The first option is you can always have simple and very easy to prepare warm lemon water with added pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder. Now this basically helps the body process the detoxification and at the same time help you with your fat loss as well. So do try out this option for your early morning drink. And the second option is, if you cannot have this, then you can simply have coriander seeds water. All I've done here is taken 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, added this to almost 2 cups of water, let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes, and your coriander seeds water is ready. Great for thyroid, PCOD, PCOS and diabetes as well. So do try out these options for your early morning drink. And now we proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan. As it's extreme summer season, I always recommend my clients to go for intermittent fasting. It really helps them to stay motivated for weight loss and also suppresses your appetite throughout the day. So what I've done here is I've given you 2 options. If you want to follow IF, intermittent fasting, you can do a IF and have black coffee chilled for your breakfast. This prevents any kind of calories in your body, 0 calorie liquid, and at the same time also helps you to stay in your fasting window, which will be till 12 noon. Now 12 noon is when we start with our eating window for all my clients out there, but you can do as per your convenience. And if you want to have your breakfast, then always indulge yourself in the summer season for smoothies. I have lots and lots of smoothies recipes on my channel, which basically helps with detoxification, to remove any kind of bad toxins from your body and great for weight loss. You can always try apple peanut butter banana smoothie, which helps with protein levels also and great for weight loss. And now for the mid-morning snack, which comes between our breakfast and lunch time, and for all of those who will follow intermittent fasting, they will be having their first calorie-oriented meal during this time. You can have at 12 p.m. almost mid-morning 1 fruit of your own choice. It can be either papaya, either watermelon, either melon, half a mango, also lots and lots of add chia seeds to this. Now this basically helps to build a gel-like consistency in the gut, which helps with constipation, and of course omega-3 fatty acids rich as well. So you can have these options for your mid-morning snack, or if you cannot have this, then you can always indulge yourself into lassi or chas. I've shared the complete recipe of how I prepare mint lassi, great for weight loss, yummy in every manner, and of course anti-inflammatory benefits as well. All I've done here is I've taken a blending jar. To this I'm adding almost 2 big spoons of curd or yogurt. Along with that, adding mint leaves, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, no salt at all to this, lots of ice, water for the consistency, blend it all together, and your tasty anti-inflammatory lassi is ready. So do try out these options for your mid-morning snack. And now we proceed towards our lunch options for this diet plan. Summer season has to be, of course, something which is rice oriented and something which helps you quickly with the digestion as well. For rice lovers, I'll be giving you 2 options out there. The first option is you can always try out my vegetable pulao recipe. Super yum, super quick to prepare and yummy in every manner. All I've done here is added lots and lots of vegetables to my pulao and very less rice. Now this is the key for weight loss. More fiber, less carbohydrates helps you any day with weight loss. So follow this. Along with that, you can have curd, raita, and definitely lots and lots of salad to pair it with. Second option for rice lovers is, if you cannot have this, then you can always have simple and very easy to prepare rajma rice or black chana rice or white chana rice. But for this, you can always prefer to have brown rice in place of white rice. It really helps to lower your glycemic index index of the food and also quickly digest your food as well. So you can have these options for your rice lovers out there, but pair every recipe of yours with lots and lots of salad and curd, which is a mandatory thing when it comes to weight loss. And now for those who do not want to have rice during their lunch time and want something quick to prepare in the morning, they can try out my simple and easy to prepare chana salad recipe. I've shared the complete recipe on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super great for weight loss and of course macros and micronutrients rich as well. I'm adding lots and lots of vegetables or salad options to my salad along with boiled black chana. You can use white chana or rajma in place of it as well, or you can also try out to prepare kebabs. I've shared the recipe of kebab salad also with this. You can try any of these options and make your lunch very protein rich and fat loss oriented. And now we proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. If you do want to have something during this time at 4 p.m. almost, you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. Helps you with digestion also and helps you with antioxidant levels also. Or you can also have black tea, black coffee or regular tea or coffee without any sugar to it. Along with this, you will have almost 20 grams of roasted makhana, which basically helps with vitamin K, E and calcium. So also make sure to roast the makhanas in just simple pan, no salt over this. Season it with black pepper powder and of course ghee you can use to roast them all. And now we proceed towards our dinner option for this diet plan, which will be at almost 7 to 8 p.m. Yes, 8 p.m. is when we definitely have to close our eating window. So make sure you have your food before 8 p.m. for which I'll be giving you 3 options out there. The first option is you can always have paneer stir fry. I've shared the complete recipe on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients. All I've done here is I'm using here of course a grilling pan. You can use air fry as well. I'll simply be adding lots and lots of vegetables to this, roasting it, grilling them for 4 to 5 minutes. On the side I'll also be grilling some paneer along with that, and of course pair it up with Greek yogurt to help yourself with protein content. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can simply have my personal favorite, 2 moong dal chilas. It helps you with lower carbohydrate level dinner, also helps you with great amount of protein and super great for weight loss. So I've shared the complete recipe of moong dal chila already on my channel. You can check out the recipe and follow it as well. Along with that, you can have mint chutney, coconut chutney as per your own choice or skip as well. Third option is for all of those who want to have something sweet in nature, but yes, definitely yummy. I've shared the complete recipe of how I prepare oatmeal with fruits. Yes, it is very yummy in nature because I also top it up with a little bit of honey to it and works amazingly well for weight loss. You can do try out these options for your dinner and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which comes post dinner. Bedtime drink helps your body to stay hydrated and also boost up your metabolic rate of the body as well. So you can have simple and very easy to prepare 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. All of those who have been suffering from constipation or insomnia, hormonal imbalances, my clients have seen tremendous results happening with chamomile tea. So do try out to have that, and of course to buy that link is given in the description box below. Also, if you cannot have this, you can simply have ajwain jeera water before going to bed. Helps you with water retention, swelling, bloating of any kind, and of course works amazingly well for postpartum weight loss. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to help you with hydration, also to help you with removing all the bad toxins from your body very quickly and great for weight loss. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmore-lose-more7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, or in the description box below there's given a link. You can directly go and click on the link to reach out to me on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and see the magic happening yourself. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with it. Let me know in the comment section below how your diet is going, and of course I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.